One of our faithful people asked for a video of fall colors for Wisconsin. And I thought, okay, we're right on that edge right now. We've got to do something quick. We don't know what we're going to see. It's kind of like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're going to get. Let's go down that road. Hello, faithful people. I'm Orlene.
And I'm Gary.
And it is kind of a weird time. It's getting to the point where there's a lot of trees that are still green, but they're probably going to lose their leaves because of wind or rain coming, and they probably won't even get a chance to change. We're just going to go out on some country roads that we've never been on before, and we're going to just see what we see. So come along and let's take a look at some fall colors. Not as much color as we'd hoped for, but we are probably maybe a week early than what we should be, but we just don't know if they're going to make it through all the rain coming. And that sometimes is one of the bummers about fall in Wisconsin, is if it's rainy and windy, you might lose a lot of leaves. If we get a chance, we'll try to make another one, or we'll put some pictures on our Facebook page. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Like, subscribe, share, and check out our other videos. And until next time, God bless.